Today on the Daily Blockhead, Cardano's future market is exploding as traders pile into ADA. The SEC has delayed yet another crypto ETF. And in Washington, a brand new bill has been introduced that could pave the way for the United States to hold Bitcoin reserves. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Welcome back for another video. If you're new to the channel, I post a brand new cryptocurrency video every single day covering the latest in cryptocurrency news, trending coins, market shifts, and the global events shaping today's crypto. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. It's a free and easy way to support the channel. Now, let's jump right into it. First up, Cardano's future market blows up as traders pile in. Over the past few days, Cardano has showcased notable bullish action even while many other cryptocurrency assets faced bearish pressure and had their rallies cut short. Now, I can't help but be the meme of the character poking with a stick, wondering when the market is going to do something. While we have seen movement over the past few days, I do check my phone more than I should per day to see if my $20 in Pepe, this is not financial advice, coin has made me a crypto millionaire. I think for most of us, we see the news, things are happening, but the wheels of change move slower than we would like. With the news today of more happenings in the world of crypto, I can't help but get excited. The Cardano network has experienced a massive uptick in its derivatives market, with futures open interest skyrocketing and indicating an influx of both institutional and retail traders. Such a huge spike points to a growing confidence in ADA's price trajectory as investors brace themselves for further volatility and more significant market movements in the future. It also highlights the increasing significance of Cardano as a highly sought-after digital asset in the larger crypto sector. With Cardano's ecosystem steadily expanding and leverage flooding back into the network, the bullish setup might be prepping ADA for its biggest breakout in years. And that's the thing with Cardano. It's been sitting in the top 10 for years, building slowly, promising upgrades, and every so often, it looks like this might be the moment it wakes up. Does this spike in futures mean we're about to see ADA's biggest breakout in years? Maybe. Or maybe it's just another head fake before the next lull. But when you see both retail and institutional money piling in, it usually means people are at least expecting something. Next up, SEC delays decision on the Solana ETF. In yet another decision that mirrors recent moves by the securities watchdog, the SEC has delayed its decision to approve the Franklin Spot Solana Exchange Traded Fund. The regulator noted this via filing on September 10th. This isn't all bad news. There are high expectations that many altcoin-related funds will receive the green light later this year. We have heard rumblings for months now that September and October are going to see some of the biggest altcoin gains in years, which is probably why the vibe in the community is more or less a wait-and-see mentality. Litecoin, Solana, and XRP are some of the top altcoins whose ETFs have elicited the most anticipation across crypto. Prices of these tokens soared when various issuers submitted S1 filings and also when the SEC acknowledged the respective forms 19B4. If September and October do bring the fireworks people are expecting, Solana will be right in the middle of it. Everyone knows a decision is coming. The only question is whether it's going to be one ETF at a time, or is it going to be a big batch approval that could set multiple altcoins running at once? And lastly for today, a new bill shows the US Congress wants a Bitcoin reserve. Filed on September 5th, H.R. 5166 directs the Treasury to study the feasibility of creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Within 90 days, they'd have to deliver a full report on how it might work, how it would impact the government's balance sheet, and even how confiscated BTC, like the Silk Road coins, could be handled. Up to now, the US has been one of the largest Bitcoin holders, usually through seizures in criminal cases, but this bill would force them to consider holding Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset. So here's why this matters. It puts Bitcoin into the same conversation as gold or oil reserves. It forces accounting and policy people to decide how a volatile digital asset gets treated in official financial statements. And it sends a signal globally. If the US is even considering Bitcoin as a reserve, what's stopping other countries from doing the same? It's hard to say if this bill will pass, but the fact that it even exists tells you how far the narrative has shifted in Washington. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. Which one of these stories do you think will matter most in 6 months from now? That's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you found this helpful, please make sure to leave a like. It is one of the easiest ways you can support the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for daily crypto updates. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next one.